Thank you. We are not allowed to read the question, but you have to read it with your eyes. When you have to answer the question.
As the Pag-asa Environment described by National Hero September 7th, I can say for the environment as a student that there is still hope for us to clean the environment. There is still chance and improvements to be made for our country. We need to work together in order to form another community that will make positive changes for our environment. And I believe that all of us in here and every individual can make a difference. I may be young, but I believe and I have strong passion for environmental sustainability and global well-being. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Ayan. So that ends